Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a new level in your Revit project using the Create Level command in BIMLOGIQ Copilot. Let's begin by giving our new level a name. Now, enter the elevation for the level. The unit is based on your project settings. You can also choose a level type. If you want a floor plan for this level, check the Create Floor Plan option. Click Run button, and BIMLogiq will generate the level along with the selected plan views. Now let's create another level by selecting different options. Since we already know the process, let's speed things up. You can also generate a ceiling plan by enabling this checkbox. Let's click the Run button and see the result. Here our ceiling plan have been created. Now let's create another level using the final option. And if your project requires it, you can create a structural plan for the level as well. Let's click the Run button and see the result. Here our structure plan have been created. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLogiq.